I can hardly believe how many iterations this collage has been through and how challenging it's been for me to just put these final touches on. If you follow me on Instagram, you may have seen the video I did where I asked people to vote on 4 different versions. And then there was a clear favorite, but when I came back to my studio, the piece that created the, like this is the piece. It was a shape here that I needed. And the piece had vanished. I mean, I couldn't believe it. 3 days I waited thinking, it's gonna turn up, it's somewhere. I couldn't figure out what happened to it. It just vanished. I have this whole box of materials. Threw it and took everything out over and over again, dumped it all out, put it all back in, all over the table, under the table. It just never appeared. And so in the end, I had to make new ones. So I put, anyway, I shared it with my friend. And by the way, I co-work with this friend here from time to time. And she's a letterpress artist and also does collage. And she gave me some feedback. And then I made 4 more versions. And in the end, I decided on this. It needed like a little darker piece to ground it. And then this dark shape here, I felt needed another dark shape to balance it out there. And so I'm finally gluing it down. Wow. So that's the deal with today, what's going on today in the studio. And I've actually been working on another one. Since I did that, I don't want to lift it up because things are drying out. It's kind of a weird one about my green sweater. I don't know if it's about my green sweater, but my green sweater is kind of the central figure. Anyway, tell me about your practice. What's going on with you? And do you go through these kind of indecisive times? I was telling my friend I don't do it with painting because I know I can just paint over and change, but with collage it's so much more final. And anyway, it's been interesting. So if you haven't catched the whole series, there'll be a link below or a link there for the whole entire series. I'm documenting my process for you and taking you along for the journey, and I hope you're enjoying it. Let me know what you think, and subscribe. It helps the channel a lot, so I really appreciate that. Okay, take care. See you on the next one.